Welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So we have a light bulb that's out, this little side marker light on the front headlight. The bulb needs to be replaced. It should light up whenever we're unlocking the door. Our daytime running lights still work, and front blinker still work. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to access the bulbs. Go ahead and open your hood down here. Need a flathead screwdriver. So pull this up halfway like that, and then you pull the whole body. That's how I do it without breaking. There is a lot of them. So go ahead. So you have to clear this little rubber stopper. That comes off. Okay, so you can start seeing room right here. This has two plastic pins as well. Just lift it up, pops right off. So from here you can reach the bulbs. So here's the front blinker. Daytime running lights is a little lower. You might have to remove the power steering reservoir, and then you can reach your hand right underneath and you'll see it right here. There's a bulb right there. I read in the Acura service manual that that's the best option, is removing this. You can try to squeeze your hand in there, but it's difficult. That hole is pretty small. I need to change out the side marker light. It's up here. Show you guys that one right there. So I'm going to twist and then pull that out. Twist it counterclockwise. There we go. There's a bulb. Pull that bulb out. Switch it to and these are just 5-watt light bulbs. So now you can look at this. There, you see how it's lighting up? Done. We're gonna go ahead and piece it back together. Same for this side as well. So this lifts up. There. You see the marker light? Okay. Identical to the passenger side, but you can see marker lights up there. Regular headlight bulbs. HID is right there. Here's the front turn signal, and on the bottom, right there, is the front daytime running lights. To access that, the factory service manual says remove this little cover right here, and then you can reach your hand underneath to remove that bulb. But all right, well, let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall everything. Those two little plastic pegs, one right here, one right here, and it just clips into these holes. Put the front cover back on. So then I slide this in first like that. Try to get this edge. There we go. I'm gonna spin it so it's all pretty, all facing the same way. So many mosquitoes out in Florida. Alright, got distracted. Let's talk about my neighbor. Alright, well, there you go. Everything's back together, light bulb's fixed, and we should be good. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.